from raw materials to final testing. Every step is carefully controlled. Our production line uses advanced machines, automated systems to ensure every compressor provides reliable performance and long-lasting quality. Each unit reflects our commitment to quality, consistency, and technical precision. Every compressor goes through strict testing. We check for heat resistance, pressure durability, and all performance before shipping. Certified with IATF 16949 and built to OE standards, our compressors are trusted by global customers. Whether for daily driving or heavy-duty use, we deliver quality that keeps engines cool and customers satisfied.